It's a modern day slave trader. That's what I look at. And he's a slave trader, he's come in and he's looking for slaves. And you become a slave spiritually, you become a slave physically and mentally, and he'll take those things from you. I think from a tikanga Māori perspective, especially here in the north, is that our old people, they've left us a sacred house. And the sacred house, as I've explained, is the sky is the roof and earth is the floor. And then there's these great mountains, these great honourable mountains that surround us. And they have different names and they have different narratives and different stories. And then the four main tribes that make up the iwi, Te Aupori, Te Raroa, Ngāti Kahu, and Ngāti Whātua. And these are the walls. So this enemy, and it's the reason why I carry my tewa, has infiltrated and climbed over these walls. And it's now in our house, in our sacred house. Let me say, if we were looking at our tikanga from a tikanga perspective, then this drug is whiro. And whiro is those things that eat at you. This thing will eat at you and continuously continue to consume you. It will consume everything that you have. It will consume your family, it will consume your livelihood, it will consume everything that you've worked for or you love. So in our tikanga perspective, from our Māori worldview, this is a atua. And I'm not saying it's a religious god. It's an unknown, unseen phenomenon, which is atua. For me personally, here in the Wharetapu o Ngāpui, or the Sacred House of Ngāpui, it's about, okay, if we live in this sacred house, then what do we do? As one tupuna put it, these are fires that burn off in the distance. Created in other lands. Now the fire is here. It's now how do we position ourselves, arm ourselves to do battle with the enemy. But if we then go back to our narratives and our stories of who defeated whiro, it was Tāne. And Tāne defeated him by just persevering, by just being consistent about defeating him. It doesn't matter how bad whiro come in and try to stop his ascent to retrieve the three kits of knowledge. He continued, he was consistent, he persevered until whiro was gone. So this is what we have to do, is that, okay, who defeated whiro? It was Tāne. There was no place for him.
You can call the Alcohol Drug Helpline 0800 787 797, 24 hours a day for free confidential information and support.
Let's make a change.